another mukbang, and today we're having buffalo chicken pizza and turkey burgers. Yay!
Yes.
Yes. Oh, let me turn that around so y'all can see. Delicious.
Yes.
Deliciousness. Okay. We're gonna say grace. Lord, we thank you for this food. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
Amen.
Amen. So it's time to dig in. Mmm. So good. Mmm. So good. What are you guys eating today? Mm. This pizza is so good. I decided to share it with you guys. So good. And I love bread. So, of course, I always eat my crust first. That's not my reason. Mm. Mm. So good. Mm.
Oh, introduce yourself. Oh, and I'm Jakara.
Mm-hmm. This is my other daughter.
And my other sister.
Mm-hmm. This is so good, y'all. So good. Mm. So, y'all make sure y'all put in the description below. What y'all eating below? Well, I'm sorry, comments. My bad. Mm. My bad. My bad. Mm. I want y'all to have some of this buffalo chicken pizza. Mm-hmm. So, how have y'all day been today? I just been chilling all day. Well, we've been chilling all day. We ain't did nothing major today. It's been a relaxing day.
Very relaxing.
Mm-hmm.
Took me a little nap.
Mm-hmm. My food. I'm trying to see if y'all can see my plate. Really good. While I sit on the table. And today, I'm drinking water. Water and my strawberry caffeine-free sugar drink. Water so good and cold. We probably doing more eating and talking today, y'all. It'll be like that sometimes. And some days we'll be just super hungry. I'm be focused on this grocery. Mm-hmm. Yep. My turkey burger. I'm gonna let y'all bite it first. Hope you bit it. So good. So good. I cannot lie. So good. Yes. So, this is our second little one. I'm actually enjoying doing it. I enjoy doing this.
Me too.
Yes. So good. It looks like it's about to rain out the door. I'm not sure. But it's cloudy. It's cloudy. You know it's summertime. Hurricane season. Lots of rain. Lots and lots of rain. You gotta go to the pool when you can. If the rain don't catch you first. Buffalo chicken pink sauce. Just how I like it. Just how I like it. Delicious. So what y'all doing for the rest of the day? It's evening time. It's evening time. Here in Tallahassee. I'm gonna get down with this video. Thanks for watching me. A good old movie. Just some more relaxing. Just a relaxing day. And I was like, let's do a mukbang. Well rested. Can't complain. You know, I see my plate. Y'all weren't playing. I was not playing. Y'all full?
Yes.
Just I'm playing, huh? Y'all ain't got nothing to say today.
Hey y'all, sorry I was just doing more inner talking. I was hungry. So how's you guys' day been going? Like Mom said, we just had a relaxed, chill, full day. I've been watching YouTube on the TV.
We went outside.
Went outside, played hide and seek.
Played with each other.
Yeah. You know, the kids' games, because we still are children.
Definitely.
Even though we're 13 and 12, we still are children. We still play children games. Like, because we're still kids. That's all part of life.
Yep. And I love it.
As y'all can see, I forgot my drink.
I drank all mine.
Yeah. It's delicious. I guess that's why they done. I was doing more talking. They was doing more eating. Yeah. So I got food around my mouth. I say okay.
So be it.
So be it. I'm in the comfort of my own home. Oops, excuse me. Sorry, y'all. Hung up. Yep. Yes. Good, it's truly good.
Y'all, this is not my stomach. These are my pants that I got on. So if y'all think this is my stomach, this is my pants.
I really don't care what they think. Don't bother us. Hey, it is what it is.
It could be something.
Everybody got their own opinions out there. And hey, I really don't care. Big baby. She's a big baby. Y'all, I'm full. I'm going ahead and match this. I'm full.
Oh, yeah.
I am not disappointed with this meal. It makes my taste buds happy. You see how it's going? No. Empty. We have finished that home. I'm full and grateful.
Tired.
Y'all, they so lazy during the summer. They been so lazy. Excuse me. All they want to do is eat, sleep, and play. That's all they want to do. That's it. And worry me. And they daddy. That's all they want to do.
We mostly were our mama.
Yes, they do. Sometimes they think I'm a toy. I think I'm their playmate, y'all. Yes. They think I'm their playmate. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. I'm not their playmate. They need to find them a toy. Stop, Nana.
Oh, now y'all know my nickname, I guess. Hi.
Yeah, her nickname is Nana. And her nickname is Kaka. Nana Kaka. It's their nicknames, y'all.
Yep, and we're the two youngest.
Yep. It's the youngest at the end. Next to the youngest right here.
Yep.
My bigger sister.
And that younger one stay right up under.
I love it though, y'all.
Stay right
My
up
little
under.
baby.
I like your
Well, y'all, we done ate. We feeling good. And
tired.
I don't even know what you tired for. You ain't did nothing. Nothing. You went to work? Did you go to work? Let me see that paycheck. I need y'all to help with these bills.
It's right here.
I feel with Nana.
I went to work, y'all.
Girl, I don't want that fake. I need that real stuff.
I work at Special K.
Special kids.
Special K.
So you might with cereal.
Oh God, I can't.
I work at Circle K.
Oh, so you work at Circle K. Or you work at a gas station.
And I work at Special K.
I can't with her. I need to see these paychecks. How about that?
I mean, they only pay us 50 cents.
You need to quit. You need to quit. That can't help. That ain't helping. Zero.
$8
$8 a minute. Girl. $8 a minute. Let me work there. Oh, you work special? I'm coming. I need an application. Oh, goodness. Well, y'all, we have eaten. And this concludes our mukbang. And we're full. Really? Really? See, they so silly, y'all. So silly. So I want y'all to subscribe. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. And hit that thumbs up button. Yes, like this video. Like this video. Yes, come join the Caesar crew. The Caesar crew. Yes, hit that bell for all notifications.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Sorry, headphone users.
Sorry. She will bust eardrums.
Yes, I will.
The loudest child in the house.
And she the second loudest. We both the loudest in the house, y'all.
You louder than me.
No.
You is louder than me.
Well, you guys, until next time, we'll see you guys later. We love you guys. Bye.